like to call on our resource person, Mr. Alexander Arellano.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Members of this August body, and especially to our sikat na Vice Mayor. Finally, nakita ko na siya in person. Ang mga kong gusto i-address is yung about the registration or coverage of our PWD. So under RA 11-228, namin po sa section 20, all persons with disability shall be automatically covered under the National Health Insurance Program of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth. Premium contributions for all PWDs shall be paid by the national government. So hindi po yung effect. They are being subsidized by the national government, provided that the premium contributions of PWD members in the formal economy at yung nagtatrabaho shall be shared equally by their employers and the national government. So yun po yung sinasabi po ng batas